Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about lips, nude lips. I love nude lipsticks. I do like my nude lipsticks to have a tiny hint of pink because I've got a sallow complexion, that suits me better. A nude on me won't necessarily be a nude on you. So just bear that in mind. Depending on your colouring, you might want to go shade up or shade down. Obviously if you're paler than me, go shade down. And if you're darker than me, go a shade up. But you know what? I'm going to stop talking and just show you some of my favourite nude colours. So the first shade I'm going to show you is one by Laura Mercier. I love this. Don't you love this? It's such a pretty colour. Love it. And just look. It's so pretty. I love this lipstick. It's really nice. It's good anytime. It's good any time at all. It's so pretty. It's got a slight pink underhue, but you know, that lovely sort of nude colour. It's beautiful. Just love it. The next one I want to show you is Rimmel. It's by Kate Moss. Kate Moss, Kate Moss, I'm sure you're aware, is the queen of nudes. I love this colour. This is shade, it's either 08 or 80. I don't actually know. So I'm going to just swatch that for you. Really pretty. Look at that. Really nice. I've used this a couple of times. It's pretty. Very, very pretty colour on my lips. But I'm going to show you another one now. This is a Rimmel Kate Moss one once again. And this is called My Nude, number 55. Okay, so hang on, let's see. So that'd be interesting to see. I haven't used this one before. I think that's quite similar to my ones. That's interesting. It comes out slightly pinkish. Doesn't look pinkish in the barrel. It'd be interesting to see how that is on my lips. I do like that one. In fact, let's give it a go on my lips. Next we have one by Maybelline. This is like a gloss lipstick. Vivid Hot Lacquer. This was fun. I've used this a couple of times. It's a nice sort of dome-shaped applicator. That's really nice colour, very pretty. Maybelline does some really nice lipsticks and shades, so that's really nice. I like that too. And next we have one by Kylie, another gloss that we've got here. This is really pretty. I'm going to swatch that one for you as well. Not dissimilar to the Maybelline. Maybe slightly more dense in terms of colour, but it's not dissimilar to the Maybelline. So if you want something which is in between a lipstick and a gloss, maybe go for that one out of the two, which is nice. And then we have Lust by MAC. I know they've changed their packaging now, but this is one that I've got in my kit. It's always good. This is good on everybody. I don't know anybody who this is not good on. Let's have a look at that one. Show you that one. I like that. That's kind of in between the two. Really like that one. Pretty, pretty colour. And as I said, it's good on anybody. And then we have this one. This is a miniature, brilliant for your handbag. This is a Charlotte Tilbury. I've got a collection of 3 of these. This is one which was inspired by Kim Kardashian. Really cute little sort of nude colour, which is brilliant for your handbag. Absolutely brilliant. And then last but not least, I have got another one by MAC, my absolute favourite lip colour of all time, and I'm going to demo it for you. Look at that. The sheen in that is lovely. It feels nice. It's not necessarily the most luxurious, but I don't think MAC is about luxury. It's more about colour and shade. And you know what? That is my favourite lipstick of all time. So you can see I've got quite a collection of nudes there. I've got lots and lots of favourites. There's always something a little bit different. Sometimes the colour's a little bit more opaque, sometimes a little bit more sheer, you know, sometimes a bit of a pinky underhue, a bit more of a brownie under hue. It just depends on my mood and what I'm wearing and the rest of my makeup. But I'm telling you, that is my ultimate lipstick. It's brilliant anytime, any look. I love it. Okay guys, that brings us to the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps me. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. And otherwise, I will see you in my next video.